You ask and I deliver. A lot of people actually requested I make a video now. You can actually write story with AI, and I'm going to be showing you that in this video. And let me just survey again. That same day that I posted that video, another subscriber got a contract. I'm super excited. Why not? Because what I'm actually showing you guys is working. I'll show you exactly how you can actually write a story with AI step by step. Let's go. So we're going to be using Cloud AI. You can also use ChatGPT for your story, but we are going to be using Cloud AI for the sake of this video. Personally, I prefer Cloud AI. You can actually compare both of them and choose and see the one that actually works best for you. Now let's dive in. Now, if you already have an idea of a story that you want to write, if you don't have any idea of a story you want to write, I'm still going to show you how you can actually get an idea from ChatGPT, then you can turn them into stories. So before we start writing our story, I need you to understand something. You have to undergo this particular workflow, which I usually do. Number one is the concepts, which is the idea, the story idea. Then second is your plot outline. That is the structure, that is the foundation of your story. The third is character profile, your heroine, your hero, supporting character. Number four is story outline. Your story outline tells what happens, how tension escalates, relationship progress, etc. Number five, chapter outline. That is chapter goals, hook, cliffhanger, POV decision. Then you start writing your story. Now let's go to Cloud AI and generate our story. As you can see on the screen right now, I've already inputted my prompts into Cloud AI. Then I want you to notice this. The first two lines of my prompt says, act as a best-selling dark romance author. And then this novel is set in New York City, 2026. You get the reason I'm emphasizing on this New York City is because some people will write story based in Lagos. Like, I don't know, you are writing for foreign platform, not Nigeria or African platform. You get, so that is that for that. And if you don't need these prompts, let me know in the comment section. Just type prompts. I'm going to send the prompts that we are going to be using in this video. So as you can see on the screen, the story outline has been generated and the title has been given. So yeah, the only reason why I said 10 chapter outline is because of this video. Like, for the sake of this video, normally it's 100 chapter upward if you want to earn money. So you get my point. Now let's move to the next stage of writing the chapter 1 of our story. So the next step is to write the chapter of the story. You just type write chapter 1 of this story. If you want this prompt, let me know in the comment section and just type prompt. I'm going to send it to you ASAP. Okay, so you understand the assignment because you already written the story outline for you. So it's going to be to write chapter 1 is not going to be a big deal. Okay, now that's how you're going to write your chapter from the beginning to the end. And also, one thing that is very, very important is that you don't have to write all your story at once. When you write up to like 5k word or 3k word, it depends on the platform you want to apply to. If you don't know any platform, check my other videos. You're going to see, I'm going to link them in the description box for you to check other different platforms and how much they pay. You get, now you apply first. When you now get contracts, then you can continue with your story. My own suggestion, anything that you feel like it's okay by you get. Now the next prompt, which is the third prompt, is this prompt. Like, you actually ask Cloud AI to act as a senior editor of a major dark romance publisher. And mind you, the reason why I'm mentioning or I keep repeating dark romance is because this story is about dark romance story. If you're writing werewolf story, you are going to change it. If you're writing billionaire romance, change it. Like, you get, there are a lot of genres that you can write story about on each platform that we used to submit story on. So that's that for that. If you want the prompts, I've sent it out to that number, so just comment prompt. So Claudia is going to be able to edit it, and as you can see, it has been edited, and the weight of knowing 7 faces, 14 replacements, you can see it has edited it, and then the edited one is what you are going to be using. It's going to be able to edit your chapter from the beginning to the end, and all you have to do is just to copy and paste on your Google Doc. Let's say my Google Doc and see if there's some correction we are supposed to do. We do it, and you continue with the next chapter like that until you are done with your story. So if you don't have a Google Doc account, you should download. But I prefer using Google Doc because it's linked to my Gmail. I can easily log in it on any device. But if you have any other alternative, you can use. But I prefer using Google Doc anyways. So now you're going to edit some things. There are some things that is not necessary for you to be there. You get for like the first part that I edited that states 7 phrases, 14 correction, blah blah blah. You delete it. The hyphen that, I mean, that underlying stuff that is there, you delete. You scroll down, check the you scroll down and check. There's always a mistake, like combined word, all of that, sentence correction. Google Google Doc is automatically going to be highlighting some area where you're supposed to make some correction, and that is all you have to do, chapter by chapter. I think that is fair enough because you have to do some editing, and if you are flowing with the story, you'll be able to like correct it and input some things that you think it should be there and all of that. So yes, you still have to put in your own work when it comes to editing your chapter. If you really want to, like, you want to apply, especially when it comes to good novel, you want to apply on that platform, you need to put in so much editing, and that's it. So once you are done editing your chapters, you head over to any website you want to apply for a contract on, and then you copy the edited chapter, you paste it as your chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3. You design your book cover and apply for contract. So you're probably going to wait for like 2 weeks or 2 days, depends on the platform, 1 month sometimes, depends on the platform you applied on. So for you to generate idea, in case you don't have anything, like you don't even know anything at all you have to do is just to go to ChatGPT to generate ideas for you, and it's going to generate, as you can see on the screen right now. So it depends on the genre that you want to write. For instance, this is a billionaire romance story, and if you want to write a story about werewolf, anything, any genre, you just tell ChatGPT and it's going to generate idea for you, and the pain points, like the core aspect concept of the story. All right, guys. So you can always through the link in the description of this video, WhatsApp link, or you can check the YouTube bio. You're going to see the WhatsApp group link there. You chat any of the admin and you get the guide. I hope this video is helpful. Let me know in the comment section, and don't well to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and also drop a comment. See you in my next video, and do take care of yourself. Bye.